this computer. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so for instance, we know there's a car and we have motorcycle, right? Altogether, how many of them are there? Altogether.
30.
Yeah, so just say motorcycle plus car equals 30, correct? Okay, so secondly, there were 100 wheels in all. So how many wheels does a car have? 4, right? So it's 4 times C. And how
4.
many wheels does a motorcycle have? 2, right? So 2 times M.
2 times
Yeah, so how many wheels altogether here?
100.
Very good.
100.
So that's, for this one, we have C plus M equals 30, and 4C plus 2M equals 100, right? Okay, so now I want to get rid of M or get rid of C. So for me, I'm going to times 4 for both left side and right side. So it's 4C plus 4M equals 100.
Wait, can you how come it's 4? Can it be 2 too?
Yeah, it could be 2 as well, if you want to.
Well,
Yeah,
it would be
so
harder that way because it's
yeah,
like
so if you want to times 4, it's like that, right? If you want to times 2, so it'll be 2C plus 2M equals 60, right? And you have another one is 4C plus 2M equals 100. Correct? So if you're using this one, you times 4, you 4C minus 4C, there's no C, 4M minus 2M. High angle equals 2M, and 120 minus 100 equals 20. So M equals 10.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Okay, so if you're using the other way around,
Yeah.
so 4C minus 2C equals 2C, and 2M minus 2M equals no M, 100 minus 60 equals 40, so C equals 20. So when you have M equals 10, you can put M back into the equation 1, so C plus 10 equals 30, so C equals 20, right? And when you have this one, you can plus it into the equation 1 as well. C equals 20, and so M equals 10. Got it?
I have a question about like the 4C plus 2M and then 2C plus 2M.
Which part?
Like, is it so for like the so for 2C, shouldn't it be 2 times 2
Which part?
or no? Because like the car, it's originally 4, right?
Mm-hmm.
So shouldn't it be 2? Shouldn't like times 2? Shouldn't why is it 2 instead of 4
Which one?
for the bottom one?
The bottom one, because
For
each
the
of the motorcycle only have
no
2
for
wheels.
this one. For this one.
Oh, because you want to times 2. Because you said you want to times 2 instead of 4.
Yeah, then why is the
Why you want
car?
to times 2?
Okay, I get it.
It's
I get
just
it.
the times, the left side times 2 and the right side times 2 as well. So
Okay,
before,
I get
even
it.
we said we have 5 equals 2 plus 3, right? But if we left side and right side time the same thing, the equation is still working. So 10 equals 2 plus 3 times 2, still equals 10. So if you have an equation like you equals the left side equals right side, that means no matter how much you change it, you plus the same thing, you minus the same thing, you time the same thing, you divide by the same thing, the both left side and right side still equals to each other. Understand?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so if you don't
I get
understand,
it now.
yeah, okay, good. Okay, so now let's just do the 5 minutes calculation first. Okay, so boys and girls, please get your paper ready. Oh, Ava's really good. Okay, so if you have any questions that you don't understand or you're not very sure about it, so please just stop me and ask me questions like that. I really love something like that. Is that okay, everybody? Huh? Okay, so I'm
Yes.
really appreciate people like that because the time you are asking questions is actually the time like you're understanding everything better. Understood? Okay, so let's take a look at the calculation. Okay, 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Carrie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the screen is kind of shaky. No, the screen. Yeah, never mind. I can just do like this. Oh, thank you. Uh,
You cannot see it?
yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, times is up, everybody. Please put down and tell me how many questions you did. This time should be pretty easy, right? This time I give you easier questions. 1 second. Okay, please send it to me and we're going to learn something today, okay? Just give me 1 second. 稍微等一下啊，我的电脑打不开了。 马上好，马上好，马上。Okay, finally. Okay, everybody, Ryan's here. I'm sorry. Hello, hi, Ryan. Hello, Ava.
Hello.
Okay, you finished talking to everybody? Okay, so we're just going to learn something today. Okay, I'm sorry. I was like busy. Okay, good, good, good. Michael, very good. Okay, Ryan, do you mind turn on the camera? Okay, so now let's take a look at today's thing, okay? So we have learned how to do the two variables at the same time. So now we're going to move forward to learn something just a one variable. Okay, this is pretty easy, but looks like very easy, but we need to find out how the algebra is working. Okay, Ava, you probably a little bit nervous or a little bit worried about what is the really, oh, sorry, sharing is post. Can you see me, everybody? So why, oh, it's here. Can you see me, everybody?
Yes.
Okay, so the truth about algebra is you putting something inside. Oh, no. Oh, here, my pen. Okay, x equals 3, right? Okay, Ava, that means in this equation, x is no more x, but 3. So you basically 3 times 3 plus 5 equals 14. If it is 14, it is right. Get it? Okay, so for the second one, 4x plus 4 equals 8. You probably x equals 2. You replace this one. So 4 times 2 plus 4 equals 12. It's not 8. So this is wrong. Get it, everybody? So I want you to this one. Okay, so I'm going to go with you. Okay, number C. Negative 2x plus 3 equals 1. So x equals negative 1. So negative 2 times negative 1. And so take a look. Plus 3 equals what? Equals 2 plus 3 equals 5, right? Because negative 2 times negative 1 equals positive 2, right? So positive 2 plus 3 equals 5. So this is not right either. So the same thing, negative 3 times negative 10 plus 2 equals 30 plus 2 equals
No, wait, no.
2.
It's
No,
negative.
sorry, x equals 4, what I'm doing. Negative 3 times 4 plus 2 equals negative 12 plus 2 equals negative 10. So for this question, it is right. Understand? So we have 6 of you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so last two is a little bit hard. Okay, I want you to take your time, do little by little and find out if they are right or not.
Mm-hmm.
我去拿个水喝啊，小朋友。
Wait, Carrie,
Yeah?
for question J, is it 3/4?
Yeah, 3/4, sorry. Is there a mouse on top of it so you cannot see
Yeah.
it?
Do I send to you?
Yeah, please send it to me. Okay, I have received some answers. Okay, I have received 3 people, so I'm going to start to call each of you. Enzo, could you please tell me the first question, is it right or wrong? Hello, Enzo, I cannot hear you. Yeah, you mute yourself.
It is wrong.
It is wrong, so let's take a look at this one, why it is wrong, okay? So first of all, I'm going to putting the x into the one side, so it became 2x, and 5 move it there will be 8, so x equals 4. So why it is wrong? So how do you find out wrong or right, Enzo? So you put 4 into the equation, so 3x equals what? 3x represent what?
3x represents 4.
No, 3x represents 3 times 4.
3 times 4.
Okay, understand? So 3x time equals 1 second. Sorry, I have calling. Okay, everybody. So Enzo, so 3x equals 3 times 4. Understand? It's not 3x equals 4. It's 3
Oh,
times 4. Get it? Get it, Enzo?
yes.
Okay, so now, so 3 times 4, sorry. 3 times 4 plus 5 equals 4 plus 13, correct? So this one is 17, this one is 17, so this is right. Get it, Enzo? Okay, number 2. 10x plus 15x minus 5x equals 15, x equals 0. I want to ask Athene,
It's
Um,
right.
it is right?
maybe
Okay,
I'm
so,
gonna get some
so
water.
10x minus 5x equals 5x. So 5x plus 15 equals 15. So x equals 0. So Enzo, take a look. 5x equals 5 times x. So anytime, any number times 0 equals 0. So 0 plus 15 equals 15. Get it?
Can I do Z, please?
Okay, number G.
Yeah,
Ava,
I mean G,
can you
not
do
Z.
number G?
Bro.
It's wrong.
It is wrong. Why it is wrong?
Because if you like 6 times 6, 6
Mhm.
times 6, so it's 36, and then 36 minus 4 equals 32. And then if 8 times 6 is 48, and then
Mhm.
48 plus 8 definitely is not 32.
Very good. Good job. Very good, Ava. Okay, very good. Okay, number H. Good job. Okay, so number H. Good job, Thini and Ava. Very good. Okay, next one. I want to see Ryan. Could you please tell me how to do this one?
It's correct because like x equals 2. So x times a is 16. I mean, yeah, 16
Mhm.
plus 3 equals 19.
Mm-hmm.
And then 15 times 2 is 30, and 30 minus 11 is 19.
Very good. Good job. Okay, last but not least, Michael. So let's do number I. That's the harder one, right? Michael? Yeah, Michael. Michael. Hello. Michael 到哪儿去了 ？OK，
I'm back.
Michael 不在，那我哦，Michael 回来。
I went
Michael,
to
you
the
left me. Oh my God.
I told you.
Okay, Michael, could you please tell me how to do this one?
Number I?
Yeah.
Oh, it's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Because you times -2/3 by 12, and then you get -8. And so then -8 plus 1 is -7, so it's wrong.
Okay, very good. Because -2/3 times 12, everybody. If it's 2/3 times 12, it will be 8, right? But it's negative. So it's -8 plus 1 equals -7, right? And the other side is also 7. Okay, so it's not right. Very good. So the last question, I will be the one who's doing that, okay? So 3/4 times -16 minus 5 equals -12 minus 5 equals -7. So this one is right. Understand, Enzo? Okay, boys and girls, very good, okay? I think you understand this one very well. So now let's take a look at this one. So we're not going to tell you how to do it. Okay, but I want you to do that without the calculation. So x plus 3 equals 7. Ava, very easy. X equals what? 7 minus 3. So x equals 4, right? Very good. So x minus 3 equals 7. So x equals 7 plus 3. So equals 10. Get it, everybody? So the second one, x equals -7 minus 3 equals -10. And the next one, x equals -7 plus 3 equals, oh my God, equals negative. Okay, so I'm going to just focus on number H, just to give you some hints. So first of all, we have to do, it's not 3x, it's -3x, and it's -2x, right? So like I said so many times, the sign is always go with the number after that. Remember, Enzo, Michael? So this -3, -2x move it there, Ryan, will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Yes, okay, so before they have a -3x there, plus 2x equals, so we have a +2 and -3, so -3 still stay in the right side, and this -2 move it there, Enzo will be what?
Can you repeat again?
This +2 move it to the other side, it will be what?
Negative.
So before they have the -3, so it's -2. So -3x plus 2x equals -x. So -3 minus 2 equals -5. So -x equals -5. Ava, x equals 5. Get it? Okay, why x equals 5 is because you times -1 for both left side and right side. So negative x equals positive. Mhm. Get it, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now everybody, your turn. E, F, G, I, J. Okay, so 5 questions.
Carrie, can I go to the bathroom?
Of course. Okay, so now I'm going to just take a look at this one, okay? So the first one, so Enzo, could you please tell me negative x plus 3 equals 7? So x equals what?
-4.
X equals 4. Okay, so did you check your answer, Ansel? I want you to stand up. Okay,
Oh,
how about 啊，到底是 negative 还是 positive?
negative
Okay, so it's negative what?
-4.
Okay, so everybody, if you get the answer, I want you to put it back into the equation. So negative x times negative 4, sorry, negative times negative 4 plus 3 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. Yes, you get it right. Okay, and so number two, Ryan, negative x minus 3 equals 7 equals what?
Wait, isn't that the same? Oh, it's not. Basically, like move the negative 3 over would make shit 10.
So what
And
are
the
you doing before? Like before? Like I give you time to do it, so 没有那个吗？
negative 10?
Yeah, it's negative 10, but like Ryan, you have to do the thing while I'm telling you, okay? It's not like I told you. So number J, it's you again. So how about like that, right? Okay, so number G, Eva, 3x plus 2 equals 2x minus 3 equals what? Oh, Ava? Oh, Ava's still not back yet? Okay, so Michael, how about you do this one?
Oh, number G, the answer is -5.
Okay, so let's see if he's right. Okay, so 3 times negative 5 plus 2 equals 2 times negative 5 minus 3. So this one's negative 13. This one's negative 13 as well. Very good. Michael, you got it right. Okay, number J. 3x minus 2 equals 2x minus 3. Athene.
I didn't do this one yet.
Okay, so how about you, Ryan?
Yeah.
你也没做。OK，好，所有的小朋友，那 Michael 做了吗？Michael 做了。
-1.
Okay, so let's see. Negative 3 minus 2 equals negative 2 minus 3. Very good. Negative 1 is the right answer. Okay, so everybody, let's do number J together. So if Ryan, you didn't have time to do it right now. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, number J, can you tell me the answer? Ryan? Mhm.
I think it's 1.
You think it's 1? Let's see. -3 minus 2 equals -2 minus 3. Good job. Very good, but right? So it's not hard at all, right? It's not hard at all. Okay, so now let's move forward to the fractional part. Okay, everybody, so we're moving to the fractional part. So 2 over 3x equals 12. So Ava, I don't know where's Ava. Okay, Athene, how do we do it? So everybody, I want you to be very careful about this part, okay? So Michael, do we need a 2 over 3x or just x itself?
We need 2 or 3x.
We need a just x, okay? We don't need a 2 over 3x. We want just x. Understand? Okay, so if we want just x, we can just times 3 over 2 for the left side and 3 over 2 for the right side. Do you understand what I mean?
Yes. Oh,
Understand, Enzo?
I remember now.
yeah.
I think I remember.
Okay, so now 2 over 3 times 3 over 2 equals what? Equals nothing. Correct? Equals nothing, so it just x, because equals 1. So 12 times 3 over 2 equals what? Equals 18, so x equals 18. Got it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 2 over 3 x equals -12. That's the same thing. I still times 3 over 2 and times 3 over 2. So x equals -18. Got it? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how about negative? So Enzo, we're going to times -3 over 2 and times -3 over 2 for both left side, right side. So negative times negative equals positive, and 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 equals 1. So x equals -18. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take the number E. So if we have a number there, first we move the number first. So 4 over 5x, Enzo with me, 11 minus 3 equals 8. Times 5 over 4 times 5 over 4. So x equals 10. Got it, everybody?
Oh, never mind.
Okay, so if you understand, we're going to do number F, number G, number H, number I, number J, okay? So do the calculation first before you do anything. Is it okay, everybody? Okay, I hope you understand it. And yeah, okay, start right now.
There's Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
I have to send to you.
Yeah, please. Okay, so now I'm going to just take a look at everybody's. I'm going to start to explain, okay? So the first question, number F, I want to have Ava. Could you please tell me how to do this one?
I was in the bathroom while you did it, but I think I figured it out.
Mm-hmm.
So 4/5 x minus 3 equals 9.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I just like 4/5,
Did you
and
move
then
did you move the -3 to the other side?
no,
So what did you do?
I just added 3 and 9.
Yeah, out of 3 and 9. Very good. Out of 3 and 9.
Added
You're
3 and
right.
9,
Wow.
which equals 12, and then
Mhm.
12. So 4/5 equals 12. And
Mhm.
then, so like if you divide 12 by 4, it's 3. So each, like 1/5 would be 3.
Yeah,
So I
very
just
good.
did 3 times
Uh-huh.
5 equals 15. So x would equal 15.
You're right. You're right. But how about just to give you a little bit hint?
Okay.
So if you can just times 5/4 for the left side, and for the right side, you are going to do what? The same thing, correct?
Okay.
Okay, so 5/4 times 4/5 equals what?
0.
Very good, equals 0. So it's x equals what?
0.
X equals, no, x equals 12 times 5/4.
Oh,
Equals what? 12 times 4.
12 times
So,
5,
so
5
12
over
divided by
4.
4 equals 3. So 3 times 5 equals 15. So that's will be quicker.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
okay, yeah, so number G, very good, Eva, you figured out. Okay, number G, Ryan, -4/5 plus 5 equals -7.
Right. I got x equals, wait, actually, no, x equals 15. This one,
15?
yeah.
Let's see. So let's see if you get it right. So x equals 15, I'll put it inside, it equals -12 plus 5 equals -7. Very good. Good job, Ryan. Very good. Okay, number
Wait,
H.
can I go to the washroom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, number H, Enzo.
I didn't. I did like Ava's way.
Okay, no problem.
So what I got was 13.
13. Are you, so your answer is 13. So did you put it back and check your answer? Yeah, so every time if you do it, okay, so I want you to put it back, get it?
Yep.
And then you're gonna find out why it is this way. Get it? So this is the most important thing is, and so you have to put it back to every single time, understand?
Yep.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Negative 4 over 5x. So you have negative 3 there, right? So you move the negative 7 over there, so it will be what?
Positive.
Positive? Positive 3? Positive 7, right? Okay. So negative 4 over 5x equals negative 3 plus 7 equals what?
Negative 3 plus 7 equals negative 6. When negative 4.
Negative 4. Negative 3 plus 7 equals negative 4.再看一下啊。
Negative 10.
Negative 3 plus 7. Everybody, can you tell Enzo? Negative 3 plus 7 equals what?
Positive 10.
Positive 10.
No, 3 plus 7 equals positive 10, right?
Positive 4.
Yeah, positive 4. Thank you, Enzo. So that's why you did it wrong, okay? How about you do it again?
Okay.
So negative 4 over 5x equals 4. Anybody? So we can divide it by 4 at the same time, right, Ava? Like your way. So negative 1 over 5x equals 1. So x equals what?
X equals 15,
No, x
I
equals
think.
negative 5. Yeah, so my way will be much directly. So Ava, you can do your way till here, okay? Negative x, 5x equals 1. Can we just do starting from here? So everybody? Okay, so if we started here, okay? So negative 1 over 5x equals 1. Are you with me, everybody? So how about we just take this negative over there? So it'll be 1 over 5x equals negative 1. Do you understand, Ava? Okay, so now we don't want 1 over 5x, Ava. We want x. How to change 1 over 5x into x?
You just
Do what?
time
Times what?
over 5 by 5.
Times by 5. Good job. Times by 5. Ava? So I'm going to times 5 for both left side and right side. Got it, everybody? Why we times both left side and right side? Is because if I put it there and there, so this part, there's no more like fractional x, just x equals negative 1 times 5 equals negative 5. So the answer is negative 5. Got it, everybody? Okay, so number I. Michael, I want you to tell me the answer.
The answer for number I is negative 8.
Negative 8. So let me see if you get it right. Negative 8 times 3 over 4 equals negative 6 minus 6 plus 12 equals 0. Good job, Michael. Very good. Okay, last but not least, Athene, can you help me to do that? Hello, Athene?
Hello?
Yeah,
Hello?
can you tell me how to do this one?
Which one?
Number J, last question. Where are you?
Oh, so you plus 6 and then minus 12, so it's negative 6.
So negative 3 over 4x equals negative 6, right?
Yeah. And then
So
you
can we
multiply-
just times negative 1 for both left side and right side to make this negative disappear?
Uh-huh. So you times the left side by 3 over 4.
Yeah, so the left times, so there's no negative. So time 3 over 4. So time 3 over 4 as well. So sorry, 4 over 3. 4 over 3. So there's no more. So x equals 8. Correct?
Yeah.
Mhm.
everybody, do you understand?
Yep.
Okay, Ryan, do you understand? Ava?
Yeah.
Everybody? So do you need me to explain again, or you're okay with that? All of you are okay? Okay, so we can move forward, okay? So let's take a look at next one. Pardon me? Okay, so we're going to take a look at next one, okay? 1 second. Okay, so today we're going to do a little bit this one. Everybody, so Ava, I don't know if you're ever familiar with this sign. So before, we're always learning what? The thing we learn is about equal sign, right? Ryan, Michael, we always learn it's equal. So that means two of them are equals to each other. But this time we're learning something is bigger or equal, or smaller or equal, or bigger or smaller. So this time it's not just only small or big, it's bigger or equal or smaller or equal. So let's take a look at this one. If 3x is smaller or equals 12, so x equals what? So you're doing the same thing, okay? If you didn't see anything negative, so 3x is smaller than 12. You do the same thing. You divide it by 3 for both left side and right side. You have x is smaller or equals to 4. Get it? Okay, we just learned the not the negative part yet, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So 3x is smaller or equals negative 12. So x is what? X smaller or equals to negative 12 divided by 3 equals negative 4. Get it, everybody? So E and G, you do yourself.
I Carrie, are the symbols like the ones with like the lines under means like
Yes,
equal?
equals, yeah.
Then what does like the two like, does it mean smaller equal or like,
Yeah. If there's a line below, it's equal. If without, that means bigger. That means bigger.
then what's the point of like two different equal symbols?
Equal is like that. Eva, what is your question? Can you say it again?
Like, what do these two things mean?
Oh, that means this one's smaller, this is bigger, this is smaller or equal, this is bigger or equal.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, I hope you understand this very well. It's what? You just times 4/3 for both left side and right side, right? So x is bigger than 12. You just do this.
Yeah,
Ava?
I need to type it in.
Yeah. No?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one, 3/4x is bigger than -9. It's the same thing, so bigger, okay? So now let's move forward to the number b, okay, everybody? Now it's time to be very, very, very careful. Ava? Very, 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 very careful. Because this part is very, very, very easy to making mistakes. Understand? Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So if you see a negative sign, so Ava, in order to get rid of this -3, you have to what? You have to divide it by -3, correct? If you divide, can you hear me? Divided by -3 for both left side and right side, right, Ryan? So x became x because -3 is divided. And 12 divided by -3 equals -4. But everybody, if you divide a negative number for both left side and right side, the sign switched. Okay, everybody, this is very important. 看到 Ava 眼睛都变红了。对的。So, okay, you have to become a little rabbit. So everybody, get it? So if you are divided above negative sign for both left side and right side, they are what? They are changed.
Oh.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, that's the same thing. So we divided by -3 and divided by -3. So first of all, don't do anything. Just -3x divided by -3 equals x, right? -12 divided by -3 equals 4. So then change the sign into bigger or equals to. Just always switch them. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one, okay? Are you with me? Everybody? Okay, so if you don't make any, if you think some of them are not making any sense, you can stop me and I can just tell you how to do it, okay? So now let's take a look at number F, number H, and number J, and number I. Okay, so 4 questions. So I'm going to help you to do the number F, so number H, number I, number J yourself. So this one, instead of that, we divide by -3/4x. Sorry. Okay, so both left side divided by -3/4. So -3/4x divided by -3/4 equals x, right? So 9 divided by -3/4, how to do it? It's 9 times -4/3, right? When you divide a fraction, you switch them. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3, so it's -12. Okay, so this one because bigger than became smaller than. Okay, H, I, J, your turn. Okay, so I'm going to just start doing that. Okay, so 2/3, -3/4x is bigger than -9。Ava，你现在还没走呢？我们45分下课，你来得及的啊。
Kind of not.
那我还要再早点。
But I kind of like, can I just watch the rest of the class in recording?
Yeah, of course. 你那个
Okay, I
要
need to.
要 Yeah, we can just do like 4 o'clock if everybody is okay. Because I just want everybody to have the same, if like I'm going to ask the thing to everybody in the classroom like later on. But if you want to go, you
Okay,
can.
I need to go. So
Okay.
bye.
Okay.
Have a nice
Bye.
Happy
Bye.
Valentine's.
Okay, happy Valentine's.
Bye bye.
Bye. I'm too late.
You're so slow, everybody. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So we divided by -1 first. So 3/4x is smaller than 9. Then you divide it by 3/4, so x is smaller than 12, right? So this one, everybody, this one's different. This one's only one side has it. So we times what? We divided by 1/3. So -x/3 divided by 1/3, right? It's smaller than 4 divided by -1/3. So x is smaller than -12. Get it? If you are having any problems, please let me know. Which part are you not very sure? 1 second. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So basically, I can just times, so -3 times -3 smaller than -4 times 3. Is it right? No, it's bigger than. Okay, if you minus or divide or times or do whatever, a negative, you times or divide a negative number for both left side and right side, it's going to be the same. So x is bigger than 12. Get it, everybody? Okay, so now let's move forward to the number 2. So number 2, everything is very easy, Michael and Thane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 questions. First a couple ones very easy, so we just do it. Okay, so the rest of them. 好了吗？ Okay, so 3x is smaller than 18.
Wait, I'm almost done.
Okay.
I don't have time to send it in.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. Okay, and so 3x is smaller than 18. So x is what?
X equals 18 divided by 3, which equals
X-
6.
No, x is not equals to 6. X is smaller than 6.
X is smaller.
Get it?
Yep.
Okay, number H, ax is bigger or equals to 48. Athene equals what?
Smaller than 6.
X is bigger or equals to 6
Mm.
because there's no negative sign. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so number C, negative 5x is smaller than 15. I want to ask Ryan.
It's negative. I mean, x is bigger than -3.
X is bigger than -3. Very good. Good job, Ryan. Number D, 3x is smaller than 10. Very good, Ryan. 3x is smaller than 10. Michael.
Which question? Number 3. Oh.
Yeah.
X is smaller than.
没做啊 10
No,
or-
I know I did, but X
找
is
不到了
smaller than 3, 1 1/3.
Yeah, okay, so next one. E, negative 18 is bigger than 9x. Okay, so this question is very tricky. I want to see if Enzo get it right or not.
Um,
不会做 So first of all, I want you to put 9x is smaller than negative 18 first. So usually we put the variable on the left side and number on the right side. Okay, Ryan, listen to me, okay? So let me see if we want to get x. So this x is what? Is divided by 9. So these both left side and right side divided by 9. So it's -2. So do we divide by any or times any negative number? No. So that's why it's still smaller than. So x is smaller than -2. Understand?
yeah.
Okay, so number F, negative ax is smaller than -40. Negative ax is smaller than -40. Athene.
Positive x is smaller than +5.
What? So x is bigger than +5, okay? So Athene is divided by -8 and divided by -8. Every time you times a negative number or divided by negative number, the sign switched.
Oh, okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. -5 at y is bigger or equals to -3, Ryan.
I kind of did the top few. I didn't really get the bottom.
Yeah, you divide it by -5. You understand? So -5y divided by -5 equals y, right? So -3 divided by 5 equals +3/5, right? But because you
Mhm.
divided by a negative number, so it's what? It's smaller or equals, you switch it.
Okay.
Get it? So every time it's just that you switch it.
Okay.
Okay, so next one, 6x is bigger than -3. So 6x is bigger than -3.
Oh, is it still me?
No, I'm asking Michael. So Michael, 6x is bigger than -3. So how do we do it?
So sorry. I know. Sorry. I know. X is bigger than -1/2.
Mhm. So 6 is bigger than -1/2. Very good. Okay, x is bigger than -1/2. Okay. Okay, so -3y is smaller than 1/4. So y equals what? I want to see Enzo. Enzo, please tell me.
So y equals -6.
Okay, x equals -x. No, the first one is y, and second one, there's nothing equal.
Um,
And Enzo, you need to have y. So what did you do? You divided by -3, right?
yeah.
You divided by -3. Okay, you divided by -3. So -3y divided by -3 equals what?
-3 divided by equals 1y.
Yeah. So the left side, you need to divide it by 3 as well. Divided by -3 as well. At 1/4 divided by -3 equals what? Enzo?
Uh.
1/4 divided by -3 equals what?
Equals 3/4.
No, equals -1/12. 1/4 divided by -3.
Oh,
It's not times 1/3, and it's negative, by the way. Get it?
yes.
Okay, so the answer is y is bigger or equals to -1/12. Okay, so last one. Ryan, -3y is bigger or equals to -1/4.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so -3y, we need to have y or -3y. Michael, can you tell me?
The answer is y is smaller than 0.08 and a third.
Okay, so let's
Yeah.
take a look at this one. We divided by -3, right?
Yeah. No, it's this. It's the same thing, but then negative 1/4 has a negative in front, so then the answer would just be the same
So
thing, but
divided by -3, right?
but without the negative. Yeah.
So divided by -3, so it's y is
Smaller.
smaller or equals to
Zero.
positive 1/12. So just start using fraction is good. Okay, get it, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, so this part, we're going to redo it next week. Okay, so don't worry about it. But the earlier part, I want everybody to make sure you understand it very well. Understood, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, make sure, Enzo, you have to do your homework. Okay, you have to understand this very well because I think you're pretty like don't know what's going on. Okay, so that's it for today's class, and wish you have a very happy Valentine's Day. How many people get a chocolate today? No, nobody? Okay. Oh my God. You don't have a Ryan, I think you have a girlfriend. No? Nobody give you chocolate? No, not yet. Okay, I think before you have girlfriend.
What?
Okay. Okay, so I wish everybody have a very wonderful Valentine. We're gonna see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.